guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing another Valentine's themed nail art, but this one is a food pun. It is "You've got a pizza, my heart." So let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. So once again, atrocious cuticles due to hand sanitizer at my essential job. Oh well, but you're gonna start off by painting all of your nails white. So for the first nail design, which is gonna be on the index nail, I'm gonna go in with some pink acrylic paint and paint on "You've got a." Also, really do not forget the punctuation, really important English grammar. But carrying on to the second nail design, which is going to be on the middle nail, I'm going to go in with pizza with a turquoise acrylic paint. And I'm going to paint on my heart, once again using some pink acrylic paint. By the way, major oopsie daisy, as you can see, I accidentally smeared the index nail. Oh well, I'll fix it later. But now moving on to the ring nail design. So for this, I'm going to paint on a pizza, but in the shape of a heart. So first things first is I'm going to go in with some yellow acrylic paint and just do like a connect the dot method to make the shape of a heart. By the way, the only yellow acrylic paint I had aged like cheese. As you see, it's all lumpy. Oh well, but now I'm going to go in with a light brown acrylic paint and just outline it. This is going to be for the crust. And as for the toppings, you can add whatever you want. I chose to go simple and basic and just paint on pepperoni. So for the pun being pizza my heart, you know, piece of, I'm going to go in with some white acrylic paint and just paint on like a little triangle at the corner. This is supposed to be like, you know, a pizza slice cut off. And for that little slice of pizza, we're going to continue that on to the pinky nail. So I did my best to kind of like, you know, mimic the shape and the size of the, you know, slice. Oh my god, I have such difficulty talking in these voiceovers sometimes. Oh well, but like I said, I am just going to paint on a little pepperoni slice. And just to fill in the little gaps, I'm going to go in with the same pink and the turquoise acrylic paint I used and just paint on little hearts using my toothpick. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Whenever the acrylic paint dried, I first went over it with a shiny top coat. Also, yes, I did, you know, apply some stuff to kind of help with my cuticles. They're too dry though, what with my eczema and all. Keep this band-aid. Major accident, what with trying to zest a lemon. Oh well. But so these are what the nails look like if you choose to go with a shiny finish. However, me personally, I like the matte finishes better, so that's what I chose to go with. But feel free to add any finishing of your choice. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Here are the finished nails. These nails, of course, are inspired by Gabby's nail art as well as Captain 8-Bit. But of course, in any more like cute Valentine's themed nails you'd like for me to do on my channel, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, guys, as always, thanks for watching.